Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle fast setup step by step clearly. To get started with Zelle, download the Zelle app from your app store. Open the app once it is installed. You will need to accept the terms and conditions to proceed. Next, select your preferred language if prompted. Enter your mobile phone number or email address. You'll receive a confirmation code via text or email. Input the confirmation code into the app to verify your account. Now, create a secure password for your account. Link your bank account by selecting your bank from the list provided. If your bank is not listed, you can still use Zelle by linking a debit card. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your bank account details. After your bank account is linked, you can set up your profile. Add your name and any additional information requested. You can also add optional security settings if desired. To send money, select the Send Money option on the home screen. Choose a recipient by entering their mobile number or email address. You can also select a recipient from your contacts if you have saved them. Enter the amount you wish to send. Add a note if you want to include a message with your payment. Review the payment details to ensure accuracy. Press Send to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation of the sent payment. To request money, select the Request Money option. Enter the email or mobile number of the person you are requesting from. Fill in the amount you are requesting. You can also include a note with your request. Review your request and tap Send Request to proceed. Your recipient will receive a notification to respond to your request. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.